Amazon is urging corporate staff to return to the office 5 days a week, signaling a bold change in their work policy. This new policy, which expects adherence by January 2nd, emphasizes a more connected workplace, moving away from previous flexible arrangements. Amazon aims to enhance its corporate culture by simplifying its structure, reducing layers of management, and increasing staff autonomy. CEO Andy Jassy highlights the importance of collaboration, speed, and decision-making near the front lines of the business. The move is part of a broader strategy to strengthen teamwork and customer focus while eliminating unnecessary bureaucracy. Although shares have dipped, the optimism for a more agile and effective organization remains strong amidst these changes.